BMRN stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially looking at Biomarin Pharmaceuticals, this is in a solid bearish market. And one thing that I'll say here is that I'm the only person in this space with a 45,000 video track record and 5 years of experience all documented. Especially BMRN, it's in a bearish range. And once it started pumping up, I got a lot of backlash, right? A lot of people were just like, oh, what are you talking about? And then guess who got the confirmation? Well, me, you know, broke once. This second shift was so small, but it did happen. And then BE has been put. Like, no need to just sell randomly. Like, you know, I've just waited for the rules. And I guess we'll see what the outcome for going into this next week is going to be like. You know, we're going to obviously start from zero. But that's where we are with BMRN. It's obviously not financial advice. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. A goodbye and enjoy.